Hi, my name's Jack. I'm the captain of Tabula Rasa, and I'm going to show you around the boat a little bit. Follow me. We have our helm. We also have a grill where we can cook. Follow me this way. We also have 8 dive tanks. There's 2 here. We also have some more set up on the bow. We love diving. I am a dive instructor. Set up your dive vacation. Up on the bow here, we have 2 beanbag chairs to sit out and relax. Enjoy a nice glass of wine. More dive gear. We have a subwing that'll pull behind the tender or this boat. Skis, wakeboard, paddle boards, and more floats than you could ever imagine. On this side, more floats. We have the big lily pad raft, so you can relax out on the back of the boat no matter where we are. And a rack to hold all your gear after you're done snorkeling or diving. You can put it all here, it'll dry out and be ready for the next time you use it. And also back here we have our tender and some fishing rods. We love to fish, catch some mahi, and Chef Casey will cook it right on the grill right away. Over here is our lovely dining table. We could seat 8, as well as towels, sunscreen, and our And over in this corner, ship's bar with all the alcohol you could ever need, and coolers with all cold beer.
How are you doing, guys? My name's Casey. I am Tabula Rasa's chef and stew. So I'm going to give you just a little bit of a tour on the inside. Follow me. So right in here, we have a beautiful salon. So much space. You can do games in here. You can sit and chat. Plenty of relaxation. And right down this way, you just follow this. So right back here we have our VIP bedroom, right in here. Beautifully set up. It has its own window right up here for you. Plenty of sunlight. And right in here, give us 1 second. So every single one of our bedrooms has its own head. It is a wet head, but there's plenty of storage behind these mirrors right up here. Keeps everything you need dry. And then we have our little dispensers. Make sure everyone has everything they need: shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, all that fun stuff. So right up this way we have our starboard forward head. It's a similar design, a little bit less space, that's why that one's the VIP, but still plenty of room in here. You've got your own little seating area in this corner. Has a little bit more window right over here so you can see out everything you could need. Beautiful. in here, similar design, we have our starboard forward head. Right in here. All right. And back up here, we're just passing through that salon again. So right back here we have our master bedroom. If you come in this way, you see it has so much space, beautiful, tons of light. This is the biggest bed that we have. And then right behind in this corner, we do have a full-size closet that opens up. Plenty of space if you need to hang anything, all up in here. And then similar as before, we do have that head right in here. So right in here we have beautiful head in here. And my favorite part. So right here is my galley. This is where I do all of my magic, make all the delicious meals and snacks that you can ask for. Some drinks down here too. But yeah, beautiful. It is kind of secluded away, which personally I love. Gives a lot more room up in that salon. Just kind of opens it up a little bit for you guys. And that last bedroom right up here, our port forward. Lots of room. Same thing, it does have a little seat right over in this corner. So same type thing. And then right in here we have that head.